Meaning of demerara sugar.
Demerara sugar.
Demerara sugar.
Demerara sugar.
Demerara sugar. Demerara sugar is a type of raw cane sugar with a coarse, golden brown crystalline texture. It is made from the juice of the sugarcane plant and is named after the Demerara region in Guyana, where it was produced. Demerara sugar has a distinct toffee-like flavor with notes of molasses, making it a popular sweetener in coffee and baked goods. Its texture also adds a crunchy texture to toppings on desserts like cookies and crumbles. Overall, Demerara sugar gives a unique flavor and texture to dishes while also being a less processed alternative to white sugar.